Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In last class we have seen ascending and descending order. Today we are going to see addition in fraction. Let's start the class. The first sum is solve. So we are going to solve the sum. The first sum is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. So look at the denominators. These are different denominators. So different denominators means you have to take LCM. So LCM generally, if you take the LCM, you have to take the you have to write the multiples of the particular denominators. So if you look at this number, the first question is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Look at the denominators, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. So 8 is the denominator, so you have to write the multiples of 8. The next one is you have to write the multiples of 4. But if you write the multiples of 8 means you have to write the multiplication table. So multiplication table means it is a long process. So better you take a shortcut method, that is we are going to take a LCM. So look at the method. So 8 comma 4. So look at these two numbers. So these numbers are 8 comma 4. So you have to take a common divisor. That means I am taking 4. So 4 is a common divisor for these two numbers. So 8 is divided by 4 and also 4 is divided by 4. So if 8 is divided by 4, you can get 2. The 4 is divided by 4, you can get 1. So again is 2. If the 2 is divided by 2, you can get 1 and again 1. So 4 into 2, you can get 8. So if you multiply by 1, you can get the same number. I have already told you, any number is multiplied by 1, you can get what? The same number. For example, 10 into 1, you can get 10. 5 into 1, you can get 5. So LCM is 8. So now I am writing the LCM of 8 comma 4 is 8. Now 1 by 8 I am going to multiply into 1 into 1. See, the answer is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is the fraction. Why should I multiply by 1? That means, see, look at the denominator. The denominator is 8. That is the common denominator, or LCM is 8. So if I want to get the 8, so I have to multiply by 1. So if the denominator is multiplied by 1, the numerator is also multiplied by 1. So you can get 1 by 8. So the next one is 1 by 4. So I am going to multiply by 2. So why should I multiply by 2? The common denominator, or this LCM is 8. So if I want to make this denominator, if I want to make this 4 as 8, so I have to multiply by what? 2. So 4 is multiplied by 2, you can get 8. If the denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator is also what? Multiplied by 2. So 2 by 8. So now the denominators are same. So if the denominators are same means what you are going to do? You have to add the numerator. So 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So the answer is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is the answer. So I'll repeat the sum once again. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. So look at these denominators. The denominators are different. So we are going to do the denominators are different. So if the denominators are different, you are going to take LCM. So I am taking the LCM 8 comma 4. So the common LCM is what? 8. So you know that 4 into 2 you can get 8. So the LCM of 8 comma 4 is 8. So after that, what are you going to do? So 1 by 8, the first fraction. So I have to multiply by 1. Why should I multiply by 1? Because I have to make this denominator as 8, or otherwise I have to make it as this LCM. I have to make the common denominator. I have to make this denominator as a common LCM or common denominator. That is 8. So if I multiply by 1, 8 into 1, you can get 8. So I have to multiply by 1. If the denominator is multiplied by 1, the numerator is also multiplied by the same number, that is 1. So 1 into 1 and 8 into 1, you can get 1 by 8. The next one is 1 by 4. So I have to make this 4 as 8. That means the common LCM is 8. The common denominator is 8. So I have to multiply by 2. So 4 into 2, you can get 8. So if the denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator is also what? Multiplied by 2. So you can get 2 by 8. Now the denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, you have to add the what numerators, because we are going to do addition in fraction. So 1 by 2, 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So 1 by 2, you can get 3 by 8. This is the answer for this question. The next sum is 3 by 10 and 2 by 5. I just want to wrap this sum, and after that I am going to do the next sum. B sum, that is 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5. So 10 comma 5, the denominators are different. So I have to take the LCM. So what I am going to do, I have to take a common divisor, that is 5. So 5, if divided by 5, it becomes what? 2. It gets 2. And 5 is divided by 5, you can get 1. So again I have to take 2. So 2 is divided by 2, you can get 1, and again 1. So LCM is 5 into 2, you can get what? 10. So common LCM. So LCM of 10 comma 5 is 10. You got it? So LCM of 10 comma 5 is what? 10. So after that I am going to do 3 by 10. So I have to make this 10 as a common denominator or LCM. LCM is what? 10. So I have to multiply by what? 1. So if the denominator is multiplied by 1, I have to multiply the numerators also 1. So what you will get? 3 by 10. The next one is 2 by 5. So I have to make this 5 as a common LCM, a common denominator. So I have to multiply by 2. So if the denominator is multiplied by 2, the numerator is also multiplied by 2. So you can get 4 by 10. Now the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, you have to what? You have to add the numerator. So the answer is 7 by 10. 3 plus 4. Sorry. 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. So if the denominator is same, you have to add the numerator. The answer is 7 by 10. The next sum, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Look at the denominators, that is first one is 2 and next one is 6. So if the denominators are different, you have to take what? LCM. So take the LCM. 2 comma 6. So the common divisor is 2, because this number is divided by these two numbers. So 2 divided by 2, you can get 1, and here also 3. So again I have to take 3. So 1 and 1. So the answer is 2 into 3, that is you can get what? 6. 6 is a what? LCM. So lowest common multiples of 2 comma 6 is 6. So 1 by 2. So now I am going to multiply by 3, and the numerator is also multiplied by 3. So I want to make this 2 as a common LCM or common denominator. So that I multiply by 3, because 2 into 3 only you can get 6. So here 3 into 1 you can get 3. Next is 1 by 6. So already the denominator is 6, the LCM is also 6. So I have to multiply by what? 1. Very good. 1. So here also 1. So 1 by 6. Now I am going to addition. Now I am going to do the addition, because the denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, I have to add the numerator. So 3 plus 1 what? 4. 4 by 6. This is the answer for the question.